Be honest with yourself for a second. Look at how your days actually go. You wake up without a real plan. You spend more time consuming than creating. And by the end of the day, you feel exhausted. But nothing meaningful has really moved forward. Then weeks pass and everything stays the same routines, same distractions, same results. But here's the truth. The next 30 days can completely shift your life. Not because of motivation, but because of structure and discipline. So today I'm giving you a 30-day reset challenge. Follow this for the next month and you can start moving your life in a completely new direction. Step 1. Remove distractions. If you're serious about changing your life, this step is not optional. Your focus is under attack every single day. Scrolling, gaming, mindless content. Hours disappear without you even noticing. So for the next 30 days, cut out your biggest distractions. If apps like Instagram or TikTok aren't helping you grow, delete them temporarily. Reduce useless content, and even with self-improvement content, don't overconsume. At some point, watching more becomes just another way to delay action. Now it's time to execute. Create more than you consume. Avoid habits that give instant pleasure but drain your energy, like endless scrolling or other dopamine traps. For the next 30 days, your attention should build your future, not distract you from it. Step 2. Focus on one path. Most people fail because they try to improve everything at once. When everything feels important, nothing actually gets done. So here's your rule. Choose one main goal for the next 30 days. It could be going to the gym consistently, studying every day, or learning a high-value skill. Just make sure it's clear and measurable. Now, if you're unsure what to choose, do this. Take a notebook and write down 4 things you're interested in that could improve your life. Then test them. Spend 1 week on each. Go all in. Learn, practice, and experience it. Then move to the next. By the end of 4 weeks, one option will stand out. It will feel more natural, more engaging. That's your direction. And once you find it, commit fully. No hesitation, no second guessing. Step 3. Build non-negotiable routines. After removing distractions and choosing your path, you need daily structure. Because real progress doesn't come from random bursts of motivation. It comes from consistent action. During this challenge, 2 things are non-negotiable: your morning routine and your night routine. Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Your night prepares you for the next one. Keep them simple. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be consistent. Wake up at the same time. Start your day with intention. Avoid checking your phone immediately. At night, reflect on your day. Prepare for tomorrow. Give your mind time to reset. Repeat these habits every single day because small daily actions create long-term results. No excuses, no skipping. Step 4. Track everything. The final step is simple but powerful. Track your progress daily. Track your progress daily. Most people quit because they don't see results immediately. Tracking solves that. Use a notebook, a calendar, or even a simple checklist. Every time you complete your tasks, mark it down. Your goal is to build a streak and don't break it. Because once you see progress, even small progress, you'll feel motivated to keep going. And once a week, review everything. Look at what worked, what didn't, and adjust. Because improvement doesn't come from guessing. Improvement doesn't come from guessing. It comes from awareness and consistency. Now you have the full challenge. But remember, doing this for a few days won't change anything. The real transformation happens when you stay consistent for all 30 days. So if you're starting today, make it real. Write "challenge accepted" and commit to it. Because from this moment on, you're either going to stay the same or become someone you're proud of. Start now. Your transformation begins today.